How to use eBay Authenticity Guarantee. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use eBay Authenticity Guarantee. So if you want to use the eBay Authenticity Guarantee, you primarily need to identify and purchase eligible items. The process is automatic for most category, meaning you do not need to manually opt in if the item meets the criteria. Now, what you have to do is basically for buyers, you just have to look for a blue authentic guarantee. So in the very home page, you could go and look for or explore item, and you could find this blue authentic guarantee checkmark badge in the search result or on the listing page. You could also use the authentic guarantee filter, which while shopping to narrow your result as well. And once you buy an eligible item, the seller ships it directly to the professional authentic facility item instead of to you as well. Then you could also specialist to perform a multi-point physical inspection to verify the item as well. And as per the seller, what you need is you could just go ahead and list accurately. Now eBay automatically adds the badge to eligible item if in a specific category like sneaker, watch, and jewelries. Now, based on the price and brand, you want to ensure the photos and descriptions are highly accurate, as Authenticator will check the items against them as well. An item self, eBay provides the address of an authentic center and a unique ID number. You must ship the items to this specific address as well. So this way, you're supposed to use eBay Authentic Guarantee. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.